So look here. Today is Monday, November 23rd, 2020. If today is Monday, Samuel, what was yesterday? Yesterday. Go ahead, Samuel. Aaron, will you help Samuel? Oh, in English? Samuel, in English? Samuel. Sunday. Your turn? Sunday. Nice job. If today is Monday, that means tomorrow will be, Jose, tomorrow will be, it's Iana. Thanks for raising your hand. Will you help out Jose?
Tuesday.
Okay, Jose, next time I need you to say it right as soon as I ask, okay? Okay. It's Iana. Can you help me write the date? It's Iana. 11 dash 23 dash 20. Great job. 11 dash 23 dash 20. Thank you, Itziana. All right. We're going to sing the days of the week. So make sure microphones are muted. That's going to help the recording sound come out better, but make sure you mute and do it with me. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good job. You're standing up at home. We're going to go through all of them 2 times. Okay? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year, and we all turn around. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year, and we all sit down. Good job. Okay, the weather. What is the weather like today? Hi, Naomi. So, go look out your window, and then I'm going to be calling on a friend to tell me if it's sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, or snowy. So go look out your window, come back and use the raise hand button, and when you get called on, I want you to say, today's weather is, Alexia, today's weather is, Good job. So I want you to say, today's weather is partly cloudy. Great job, Alexia. Okay, so partly cloudy. We're going to color it in. Alexia, which one has the most? Sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, or snowy? Which one has the most? Sunny. How many does Sunny have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, Alexia. All right. We need to figure out how many days we've been in school. So, if you want to, you can count by ones, or you can count by tens. If you know how many days we've been in school, this is today, right here. This is today's mark. If you know how many days we've been in school, I want you to raise your hand. So I'm going to put all hands down and let you count, and then I will call on a friend who raises their hand. Keela, how many days have we been in school?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
Oh, so if it's not a full 10 frame, remember we have to switch to counting to ones. So let's do these by tens, and then we'll go to little ones here, okay?
Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
51.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we have 50,
50,
8. So Keela, I'm going to show you, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I'm going to start with the 50, and I'm going to keep going by ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So what's my number?
58.
58. What goes in the tens? How many full groups of 10? 1. Groups of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 10. Our ones are these orange ones because it's not all the way full. So how many ones do I have?
What's that?
5, 6, 7, 8. So 58 is 5 groups of 10, 8 little ones.
If we put that together, teacher, it's 58.
Great job. 58. Thank you, Keela. All right. So we are going to move to Math Mountain. So if you would like to help with Math Mountain, you're going to show me by raising your hand. I'm going to go put all hands down. And then I'm going to call on someone who's raising their hand to help. Okay. All right. So, Math Mountain. This weekend, 9 monsters went to Ontario, and they went and did some activities. So, some monsters went to the movie theater. How many monsters went to the movie theater? Jose.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
They probably forgot the mask to go there first.
Oh, they need to make sure they have that, right? So, Jose says there are 5 that went to the movie theater. The rest went to Ogawa's and had some sushi. So, if I have 9 altogether, and 5 went to the movies, we need to figure out how many went to Ogawa's and had some sushi. So remember, when you are solving this, we're starting with the biggest number, which is 9. So I want to make sure that I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, here's all my 9 monsters that were in Ontario. 5 of them went to the movies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rest went to Ogawa's and had sushi. So if you can help me solve how many went to Ogawa's, use the raise hand button. Mario. Mario says 4. So Mario, together we are going to write a subtraction problem using these numbers, okay?
Okay.
So Mario, when we subtract, we always start with?
The biggest number.
Which one's bigger, 9 or 5?
9.
9. And we're subtracting? 5. And we need to figure out what our mystery number is. So what is our mystery number? 4. So that is how many monsters went to Ogawa's, and we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that our mystery number is 4. Great job. All right. We are going to go to word study. So I'm going to show you right here exactly what you need. So I want you to make sure that you have everything ready in front of you. You need a glue stick. You need your scissors. You need your word study paper, and I'm going to show you which one that is. You need this one. It says sort 6. It says 6. Yep, it's the green one. Okay? So make sure you have that ready in front of you. And you're also going to want your notebook. See how I have my notebook ready? I'm going to go to a blank page, and I'm going to have these 2 things ready in front of me. Go ahead and show me that you're ready by raising your hand. I'll give you about 1 minute to go get all of your stuff ready. 6. See the 6 here? 6. At the top it says cat. And you can see a picture of a cat on here. That's how you know you're at the right page. Okay. So raise your hand when you're ready. Good job. Thanks for raising your hand. So I need to make sure I have my glue stick and my scissors. Yes. Does it look exactly like mine?
I see a green one in it.
It's the green one, and it has a picture of a cat right here. Go check your paper and make sure you see a cat on your paper. Okay. It's the green one.
You see a cat.
Okay. So it's this green color. All right. So in my book, I want to start out by putting the date. So I'm on a brand new page, and I'm going to put the date, 11-23-20. So today, boys and girls, we are working on doing a sort. That means we're going to put the certain words that match the certain pictures. All of our words here today, boys and girls, are ending with this. I'm covering up the first letter. I'm going to call on somebody to unmute and tell me what this part is here. Oh, I didn't call on you. Itziana, what's this part here? At. Great job. So big on the top of your paper, I just want you to write at, because all of our words are going to end in at. Take a look. If you take away that first letter for each of them, they all say at. So all of our words are going to end with at. We need to figure out the first sound and then match it with the picture. So, first thing I want to do is look at this first word right here. Sophia. We know that it's going to end in at. Now we need to say the first sound and put the word together, okay? Smash the sounds together. Cat. Great job. So I'm going to take my scissors and cut out the cat card. See how I did that? And I'm just going to put some glue on the back of it. And all of these are going to end in at. So we're just going to put them on this whole page. If we had more endings, we would want to split it in half and have some words here and some words here. But because all of them are ending in at, we're going to just put all of the cards here. So, go ahead and cut out the word cat. And then you're going to want to find the picture of the cat. So I already pointed out where this one was to make sure that you guys have the right paper. So we're going to cut the cat out. And we're going to glue it right underneath it. Okay. We're going to keep working, and as you guys are working, I'm going to be calling on students to tell me the name, and then we're going to match the picture. So listen for your name. If I call on you, you're going to read me the name of the word, okay? Zayden. We know it ends in at, so we need the first sound. Zayden, can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me?
Now I could.
Okay, Zayden, I want you to read this word. We know it ends in at, so I want you to tell me that first sound and then put it all together. First sound? Mat. Now, take a look at these pictures. The mat would be like it's kind of like a thing that you can lay on the ground. It's kind of squishy.
It's like a workout mat.
Yes, right there, mat. So we need to cut out mat and match it with the mat, and we're going to put it in our book. So make sure you have your scissors. So
it almost sounds like math.
It does almost sound like that, doesn't it? So now I'm going to glue it, and I'm going to put mat, and your picture needs to go with your word, so you're going to put mat right underneath it. Jose, make sure you're raising your hand. But right now I want you to make sure that you're gluing these in the right spot. First day of having these words, so it's going to take us a little bit longer than when we practice these more. So this first page that we do usually takes us longer, but the next ones we do, we're going to get them really quick because we're going to know these in a snap. Okay, Allison, can you hear me? All right, Allison, your turn. First sound is so we have at, but we need to put the H at the front. So put all the sounds together. At. So listen closely. Hat. Say it fast. Hat. Do you see a picture of a hat down here? Hat. So we're going to cut out the word hat. And we're going to glue it right in our book. So I should have moved mine over a little bit more, but I see that I have room. So I'm going to glue hat, and I'm just going to squish it over there a little bit so it doesn't hang off the edge of the page. And now I need to cut out my picture of my hat. And I'm going to glue my hat in. Make sure that your pictures match up with your words. Hat. So this next one over here, I'm going to glue it way over here. Since this dot, this hole in the paper is right there, I'm going to glue my next one here so that I have room to do the rest. Okay, see how I'm keeping all my scraps together? I want to do this next one. So I'm going to call in a friend to read me this word. Remember that the sound at the end is at in all of them. So it's beginning sound and then the word at, and we put it together. All right. Sophia, can you tell me this word? Rat. Good job. Rat. So now I need to put the picture of the rat below it. Do you see a rat on here? Sophia, is this the rat? No. Is this the rat? Yeah. Yes. So I'm going to cut that one out. And I'm going to glue it underneath the word rat. Okay. Yes. You're going to put the pictures underneath. So I want you to do this with me, okay? So I know some of you are quicker than me, but some of you are needing to do this at the same exact speed as me. So I want you to make sure you do this with me, okay? Color? Yes, but right now we're doing this part together. And we might not have time to color them. I'm looking at the clock. We need to make sure that we have time to get all of them glued. And then we'll see if we have time. Liam and Aurelie, can I have you turn videos off? Thank you. Liam, you too. Thank you. All right. Bracket, you are next. Here's my next word. Sat. Do you see a picture of somebody here who sat down?
That one.
This one? You can just tell me yes or no and I'll go to the next picture. I lost your sound, Bracket.
My internet isn't connected.
I can hear you now. All right. This one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
Yes. He sat down. Sat. So we're going to glue this one in. And I should glue it right here so that it's right next to the word rat so that I have room for my other ones. There we go. Now I have a little bit of glue right here, so I want to make sure that I take that off or I let it dry before I close my book. All right. Naomi. Naomi, you're going to do this next word with me. Ready? Let's do first sound, Naomi. Naomi, can you hear me? Naomi? Anderson, can you tell me the letter sound? Good job. B. At. B. At. Bat. Bat. Okay. We have 4 pictures left.
I have a question.
Only if you're raising your hand. That's the only way I can call on students because there are 23 students online. So if everyone is unmuting, I won't be able to help. Liam. You shouldn't be done because we're doing them together. I know it's kind of slow for some of you, but I need you guys to do them with me. Okay? All right. So Samuel, I want you to look here and see which card is bat. Okay? Okay, Samuel. 1, 2, 3, or 4? 1. So we're going to take the baseball bat and glue it here. Now, I want you guys to notice something. I have this word 2 times. Do you see that? So, bat, bat. This is also a bat. Do you guys see that? So, you're going to put the other bat with the word bat. So, bat, bat. Same spelling, but we have 2 different things. We have a baseball bat and the animal bat. Okay. We have 2 more words and 2 more pictures. Aaron. Pat. So when they're saying pat, they're talking about like when you pat your dog on the head. Do you see a picture that shows that? So which one is pat? Left or right? Left or right? Left. Good job. So I have the word pat. And I kind of need to squish so I have room. On the bottom, let's put them right next to each other. That way, like that. You see that? Pat. All right, I have one more. Anderson, do you have a question? Okay, I'm going to have you go back on mute. All right, if you can tell me this last word, I want you to raise your hand. Raise your hand, please. Keela, what's this last card? So we have at. What's the first sound? Good job. Now put the sounds together. Bat. And this is our last picture. Do you see this clown? Yeah. So we would put the clown with the word fat. Now this isn't something that we would say to somebody, is it? Yep, that's not nice.
Teacher,
Yes.
I can't find that one.
Check your scraps and check the floor. Check both sides of your paper. Okay? If you ever can't find any of them, of the words, you just write them in, okay?
I can't find it, so can I just draw the wood?
Yes. Okay, so I have all of my words here, and at the top I have at. So when I go through my pictures, I know that that last sound is going to say at. So before the word at, I want to put a little space here, because we're just taking the first letter and changing that first sound, but we're keeping the same ending, at. So, cat, mat, hat, rat, sat, bat, bat, pat, fat. So, with your microphone muted, I want you to go through each of your pictures and say the word. So point to each of them with microphones muted and say the word. I'm going to put hands down, and you're going to let me know that you're done by raising your hand. So make sure all of your pictures are glued. Say each of the words, and then use the raise hand button to let me know you're ready. I want to take care of my glue so it doesn't dry out. So I'm going to put the lid on until it clicks. And I'm going to put my scissors away. And then I'm going to throw this in my garbage can. Okay, I'm looking for